good? We back. Now, I told y'all I was coming out with another one. Another Delta 9 XO. Now, this flavor, it's called Strawberry Cough. And we got the Rio song in the back, you know what I mean? Now, I listened to the music, and this is one of the songs we heard yesterday, but I listened to it because, you know, I couldn't help it. But yeah, this is the last one we listened to yesterday. So yeah, but he got the whole album is a banger though. I fuck with that shit. But yeah, we finna get into this stuff. I got my bats all charged up and shit. Mike riding on a bus that make a bus flip. Oh, let's get to the other shit.
I'm Chef and author Kristen Fish, and today I'm in Long Beach, California. I will be guided by a true Long Beach native, Kristen Rodriguez. I spent a lot of time there when I was a kid. Kristen has worked in some of the most...
Y'all hear this shit, bro?
I just pulled up on the white in the 2 liter. I just pulled up to the hood with 2 liters. Cartier glasses on, I know I'm a school teacher. I just made 17 racks off 2 features.
Ooh.
We was in a 10 racks, 10 for. What they hitting for?
This one slap. Y'all can't say it though.
Shit, I'm flip it though. 2 Audemars Piguets on my wrist right now. Jumping off the lines in the scat at the White House. I don't pay them bros no attention, they gon' die out. Got some Zappos, but they wet, they gotta dry out. I just smoked the whole zip with my high end. Riding through the hood in a 550, I can't drive fast. I just put a switch on the
This shit slap, bro. Oh my god.
Why would I lag? Bro just sold a dog for 10 racks, it was like that. I'm so high, you looking for me, look over where the sky is. 100K jury on.
He said, I just pulled a phone walk in the 2 liters. Fuck.
They don't try that. Ask them if they ever shot at us and we ain't fire back. Ask them if they took one of us and they ain't died.
I gotta get a song posted. Follow my SoundCloud. I gotta drop this song. I got a song coming. I got a couple songs in the vault right now.
So what the fuck I look like going broke? I hope you know. I just dumped the 8 before I pulled this. I live so far away from the hood, I don't gotta close the door. My auntie was my biggest motivation and she smoked dope. I just dumped another brick on my toe, bro. Get 100 pounds of weed, not a slab, got a slow roll. He thought he just bought some clean act, it was real roll. I could bring some green lean back, but I don't want to though. Hate being around broke niggas. It's some kind of, he got caught with a small amount of dope, but it was chargeable.
Mike said he had more money than me. It was arguable. It was arguable. Who y'all think got more money? Mike or Rio? Mike said he got more money than me. It was arguable. See, Rio shit stacking him while he in jail. But that nigga Mike still making music at the same time. He making that new music.
Yeah, ghetto boy shit. You know what the fuck going on. I just woke up and pulled a whole pint and put it on my eyes. Round with a 4-5. I'm rolling the dice. We just got the drop on the house. We
Come on, I'm not gonna make it.
trying to trick off. What's
That's
the
irritating.
fuck tonight? Round in the lamb truck, need lamb chop. Them one niggas quit spinning on us. They fast. You don't even want to know what I did with this damn girl. I beat you in your head with the strap. What's that shit, man?
What? It's more editing for me.
He got the jury on, but he's still a cop. No, I said
Shit.
fuck the big shit, but he's still a ock. We the ones dropping bodies on the north side.
I fucking hate siblings. Not hate siblings, but I just hate living with siblings. If you know, you know, bro.
We had 4 chops. So what you think happened to that nigga vehicle? So many hoes in that bitch, now I can see through it. Guarantee it's a homicide if we do it. I'm to the point if you ain't spending paper, you can't speak to me. Taking pictures with all them guns, niggas weak to them real guys. These
I just gotta move. I can't wait.
But it's 45 for the good shit. 20
It's like,
my bitch probably would
no
shoot
matter
me
what I
'cause
do,
eat pussy. I'm a motherfucking ghetto boy.
something gonna happen.
Knock you out, Oscar De La Hoya. Big folk Nikki on me 'cause I'm paranoid. Got a double cup of watch pulled up, cost a pair of Jordans. Bitch killed more people than me, she got 12 abortions. Nigga, I been had a gun. I was never with. I don't know who buying dope, I had to let bro sell it for me. Niggas sitting in the crib all day, must be scared of money. I just bought 2Ks, come outside and play. Before you see me broke shit, I go out of town, yeah. Got a weed spot, selling grams, do a pound a day. shit, I do a double. Shot the K in the front yard and hit a nigga up the street. All rat niggas would be dead if it was up. A fist fight to get a nigga head cracked. You ain't punching. When a nigga did disrespect me, you got ugly. Them bros running around with 2 Drakes and a bumblebee. It's crazy. You niggas big homies look up to you. I know the real LB. Nigga, I can get runs for
Free.
Overactive bladder, or OAB, can change your world, like going hiking. Just a hike to the bathroom. Reaching for the bar. Just to reach for...
Ooh, shit, that's a Danny G beat.
What was the last song?
What you say you had?
I got that
You say you had a whole brick. I'm trying to buy it now. Just find a way to
Finna
get
go on
rich.
that
I'm
shit.
finna try it out. Okay, it's Glock with a switch when we ride out. My nigga in the county for a tip, finna ride out. I was beefing with some niggas, but they dying out. You niggas wearing lab diamonds, let me find out. Paradox dropped a new tape, what he lying about? 150 cash on your head, you better hide out. This is not a Rolex, baby, this a Audemars. One day I woke up, called my bank and went and bought a car. Fuck with me and you can get bricks, I'm already started tomorrow. This is Oxycontin 30, this is not a bar. 308, so much kick, I just shot a star. You riding in a V6 engine, that is not a car. Hit me up if you find a city where they buy a tar. Nigga said some slick shit and I broke his jaw. 60 months in the feds cause I broke the law. Here I got a pint and a 10, I want it all. I never sell dope again, I just want a ball. I'm finna middleman a gram, I just want a ball. Hit a nigga with an F and N, blew a shoulder off. I just saw the E-way, it was soda ball. Came around PZ in 19, I missed soda ball. 30 pointers in the AP, tryna show it off. Put the play down on dog in the stove, bro, throw 'em off. Done doing features, I ain't got no verses, I sold them all. Counting OCs, opiates, I sold it all. Stupid nigga better use his head.
Oh, blow it off.
I hate a school bitch, always acting like she know it all. If we stack the $20 bills up, they probably shoulder tall. Pop up at my ex bitch house, I ain't wanna call. Probably ain't no walk hard around the city cause I drunk it all. I was born in the 5th ward, but I'm a fed baby. At 18, me and C was grinding, drinking red baby. Pussy wasn't really about shit, but the head crazy. Bro just broke a bow down, he on his 10th AP. What you wanna own a house or something? Ain't no rent, baby. I go and buy another watch tomorrow.
Cause I'm rich, baby.
20, 25 for the pint, it was Trishman. I just pulled a big ass cup of wop, I'm on sip 80. Pop a perk and take a honey pack, I feel like Big Baby. 4 pockets full, 9 chains on, you think I'm with baby. Dog had to take the car back, cause his bitch made him. Fed bounds 25 racks, but my bitch paid it. Finna go and get fresh, I'm on Big B. Why every time you up 100 racks, you with 6 people? Black on black, Glock 19, but the clip see through. Told my grown bitch to pray for me, but the bitch Hebrew. You pop one, we take one, we gon' get equal. If you ever seen a young OG on finger arms with ski, but I'ma shit talk the whole beat, cause this shit easy. This is second brick charge, I ain't beat that. The little bitch fell in love, why I eat that? Get up boys, walking in the scope, like where my seat at? You said you made 100 racks, I don't believe that.
I don't. I really don't. See ya.